Today we are going to discuss about or access the video relevant to algorithm, Google algorithm. Now, how Google algorithm will impact your website, impacts your page. So every year Google will come up with 500 to 600 times. It keeps on updating their algorithm to deliver the quality and usability and relevancy results towards the user. So Google majorly works with user metrics. So, and now we will discuss what are the major algorithms has been involved by Google. So now we will look into it. Panda algorithm. Google Panda algorithm. It started by the Google in 2011 and 2012 and 2014. These are the updates they are keep on doing. The major impact of this algorithm is low quality content. If you use low quality content, it impacts your website. And keyword stuffing. So if you use a keyword stuffing strategy in your website or the page or the services, it impacts your business. And whereas another metric, plagiarized content, it also impacts your page and penalized by the Google because of the Panda algorithm. Now we will come up with another algorithm, Penguin. Penguin, it's stated as by the Google in 2012 and 2014 and 2016. The major impact of the Penguin algorithm is so low quality links. If you get a low quality links, it impacts you. And the spammy links. And one more, the major thing is irrelevant links, which is not relevant to your niche. It impacts your page. So now we will move into another algorithm, that is Hummingbird. It was started in 2012 and 2014. So it shows you a better results. The main impact of this algorithm to show you a best results for the specific queries or the terms or the phrases you have been searched in relevance to speed and the accuracy. Now, like exact match keyword. So, and now we move to PGN algorithm. It has been started in 2014. So, the main impact of this algorithm, like the pages with low optimized pages or low optimized services. And one more impact of this algorithm, improving of the local results, search results, it also impacts. See, now Google come up with one of the major algorithm. One more thing is mobile friendly update. It was started in 2015, which impacts the website which is not mobile friendly. So for mobile friendly website will show you better results, search results. Nowadays most of the users are mobile users, 90%. So that is the reason mobile friendly update it has been come up. Next, another major algorithm, sandbox algorithm. Sudden is nothing but suddenly you have made 1,000 pages of your service. You want to index all the pages at a time. So by that time Google will raise us. You look like a spammy guy, so untrusted person. It raises the flag. So that is the reason the sandbox algorithm has come about. And one of the major algorithm is rank brain algorithm. It was started in 2015. So rank brain algorithm mainly works with machine learning system and artificial intelligence. So it mainly look in if you search queries based on the LSI terms, majorly it impacts the poor user experience and dwell time and the click-through rate. So these are the major impacts of the rank brain algorithm. Now if we move into another major algorithm, Pirate 2.0. It was started in 2012 and 2014. It has been updated. It is nothing but direct the violation of Digital Millennium Copyright Act from Google. Nothing but you are having high volume of copyright reports. It impacts your page. And Possum, one of the major algorithm, it impacts. It has been started in 2016. It is an unconfirmed documentation updated. It majorly impacts local finders, local pop results, like a guy having similar business with the physical address. It impacts you. And one of the major algorithm is Fred. Fred, it has been stated in 2017. The main impact of the Fred algorithm is targeting all the black hat tactics, overloading of ad, low quality content, affiliate heavy content, page rank. Next algorithm is major algorithm of Google is page rank algorithm. It's mainly works by Larry. It has been done by the Larry Page. So the quality links directing towards your page, it impacts you. See, another major algorithm we'll come up with in 2018. It's a medic algorithm. Your money, your life. That is the main theme of it. So if all the medical healthcare user blogs or the posts what the user made, it should be more quality. It should be authorized in the prescription is done by the authorization. So it penalizes all the medical healthcare website which is not showing quality content and the quality results by the authorized doctor or the authorized person. So that is a major thing of medical algorithm. And one more algorithm has been come up, Florida 2. It has been come up with in 2019. The major impact of Florida is, so if you should get a quality backlinks towards your website, and whereas the post what you made, it should be done by the authorized guy, and the quality metrics and the brand signals and the quality backlinks towards your website. These are all the major things has been involved. Florida 2 update by the Google in 2019. These are all the user metrics of the Google algorithm. See, finally I can state only one thing. Mainly focus on the branding, focus on the quality as content, as the backlinks what you get. Focus on the niche. So brand signals will impact you to rank well in the search results. So this is a thing will work in 2019 to on beyond. Thank you.